Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google voice typing on your keyboard for your Samsung phone. So swipe up, go to your settings guys, find general management, tap on that, click on your Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll all the way down to where you'll find voice input, tap on that, and from here you'll have the option that says Samsung voice input, but you also have the Google voice typing. So you can enable that by simple tapping on that, and that will activate or enable the Google voice typing. So whenever you're using your keyboard, this is the option that will be used. Now as you can see, when I go to the Samsung voice input, there you have a bunch of different options. For example, the offline voice input, you can go ahead and you can choose there. You can also install offline language pack directly from there, and then you can see I have 2 language there as well. You can also enable or disable hide offensive words. So this is very important guys. So this is how you can easily go ahead and enable the Google voice typing input on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Very easy and very simple.